Gianni was a big one. Narinig namin yung timbre ng boses niya. Well, at 11 years old, parang siyang adult singer, kumbaga, umatake sa boses niya. And I'm actually looking for, sa team ko, I'm looking for that, actually. I'm looking for yung, wala na ako masyadong kailangan for technical aspects. Kasi parang okay na siya. Sa akin na lang is performance. That's what I can enhance with. Parang isang malaking shark ang nakawala sa tangke namin at ang nakakuha si B1 at B2. Pero he was really good. He was really professional. Halatang hasang-hasa na siya pagdating sa kanta. I guess ang choice talaga niya was to be with Pao and Miguel. So, but there are more fishes in the sea. I'll be back.